The casting process in dental procedures is commonly known as dental impression or dental mold making. It involves creating an accurate replica of a patient's teeth and surrounding oral structures to aid in the fabrication of dental restorations, such as crowns, bridges, dentures, or orthodontic appliances. Here's an overview of the casting process in dental procedures. Preparation. The dentist will start by preparing the patient's teeth and oral tissues for the impression. This may involve cleaning and drying the teeth, removing any debris or plaque, and isolating the area using dental dams or cotton rolls. Impression material selection. There are different types of impression materials available, including alginate, polyvinyl siloxane, PVS, and polyether. The dentist will select an appropriate material based on the specific requirements of the case. Mixing and loading. The selected impression material is mixed according to the manufacturer's instructions. It is crucial to achieve a homogeneous and bubble-free mixture. The mixed material is then loaded into a tray, which is a custom-fitted dental device that holds the impression material. Taking the impression, the dentist will position the loaded tray in the patient's mouth, ensuring that the material covers all the teeth and surrounding tissues that need to be captured. The patient will be asked to bite down or hold still while the impression material sets. This process typically takes a few minutes. Setting and removal. Once the impression material has set, the dentist carefully removes the tray from the patient's mouth. The impression should be intact and capture all the necessary details, including the tooth structure, gum contours, and bite relationship. Inspecting and sending to the lab. The dental impression is examined for accuracy and quality. If any deficiencies are identified, a new impression may be necessary. Once deemed satisfactory, the impression is carefully packaged and sent to a dental laboratory. Model fabrication. At the dental laboratory, a dental technician pours a stone or plaster material into the impression to create a solid model or cast. This model serves as a replica of the patient's oral structures and is used as a basis for fabricating the desired dental restoration. Fabrication of dental restoration. Using the cast as a guide, the dental technician or dentist proceeds with designing and creating the specific dental restoration requested, such as a crown or bridge. This may involve various techniques, including waxing, casting, or computer-aided design and manufacturing, CAD/CAM, processes. Fitting and final adjustments. Once the dental restoration is fabricated, it is sent back to the dentist for fitting. The dentist will ensure that the restoration fits accurately, matches the patient's natural teeth in terms of shape, color, and occlusion, bite, and make any necessary adjustments before cementing or bonding it in place. The casting process is a vital step in dental procedures as it allows for the creation of precise and custom-fitted dental restorations that can help restore the function and aesthetics of a patient's smile.